If there are 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens, how many didn't?
How many did what?
There are 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
How many didn't?
Yeah.
Cows and chickens. Like scared people and big people?
No.
How many didn't? The question doesn't even make any sense.
Okay. If there are 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens, how many didn't?
Yeah, I heard you the first time you said it. 30 cows in a field. And how many did you say? 50 chickens?
28.
28 chickens. 30 and 28?
Yeah.
How many didn't? This is like a math problem.
No. I mean, kind of. Like kindergarten.
Kindergarten?
Yeah.
Like what's 38 minus 28? Or 30 minus
Something
28?
like that.
So do I just say 2?
No.
How many didn't? Doesn't make any sense. How many didn't?
Yes, it does.
There's cows and chickens. How many didn't?
30 cows are in a field and 28 chickens, how many didn't?
Honey, I heard what you said.
Do you want me to say it one more time?
I guess.
If there are 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens, how many didn't?